For what real value of x and y does the integral this attain its maximum? The beauty of this problem, at which point this integral attain its maximum. Sometimes function in two variable or one variable is given to us and we easily tell about which one point is point of maximum, or somehow we can find the point of extrema. But directly function is not given to us. So first problem for a student is how to find function. As this is integral from x to y, 6 minus t square, and integral with respect to t is given, so anyone can easily integrate it. So 6t minus t square divided by 2 minus t cube divided by 3, and limits are from x to y. Now put the limit value 6 y minus x minus half y square minus x square minus 1 upon 3 y cube minus x cube. So this is the function, and this is the function in variable xy, two variable. Now check which one point is giving the max value, that will be your right answer. Otherwise, as this is a function or integral is given to us, and for maxima minima we need fx as the procedure. We normally follow fx, fxx, fy, fyy, and f square xy, and we need to check critical points, which one is point of maxima. Now apply Leibniz rule here. As according to Leibniz rule, replace upper limit, replace y in place of t, and product with its derivative. So function will come in terms of variable y, but when we will calculate partial derivative with x, then this value will be 0. So only fx is minus, replace t as according to Leibniz rule, 6 minus x square, and its derivative will be 1. So function is, or fx is, x square plus x minus 6. This is fx, and by this fxx will be 2x plus 1. Now fy from this one will be, replace ty, upper limit y, 6 minus y square, and product with its derivative, and this is 1. So 6 minus y square fyy will be minus 1 minus 2y. This is fyy. As fx is known to us, so fxy will be 2x, sorry, this will be 0, because we need to differentiate this one with respect to y. Now for critical point, put fx equal to 0 and fy 0. Which one point making this first partial derivative 0? So x square plus x minus 6 is 0. Now factor of this one will be x plus 3 and x minus 2. This means x is minus 3 and x is 2. These are value of x. Now when fy is 0, this means 6 is 0, implies 6 minus y square is 0. means y square plus y minus 6 is 0. Again, same. So value of y will be minus 3 and 2. Now make combination of coordinate xy, that will be critical point minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 comma 2 2 comma minus 3 and 2 comma 2, and need to check where fx and fy both are 0 at this point. If one point or some points is not making fx and fy both 0, then that will not be critical point, or as our combination of coordinate xy may be wrong. But anyhow, we got this critical point, and we need to check sign of, as this table we normally form to find point of maxima or minima. Critical point fxx, fyy, f square xy, and value of xx product with fyy minus f square xy, and this last is conclusion. We are seeking point of maxima. So first critical point is minus 3 minus 3. At this point, value of fx minus 5, fy is 5, f is square, because this value fx y is 0, so always 0. So minus 25, which is less than 0. So this is the point, saddle point. But saddle point is not our concern here, because not asked. But question may be asked, so we need some more information about this problem. Minus 3 comma 2, this is again minus 5 minus 5, this is 0, this will be 0 in all cases. 25, which is greater than 0, so this is point of extrema, but we are seeking point of maxima. Here you can check either one or both are negative, so this is point of maxima. Now minus 3, 2 is point of maxima. Our concern is closed here, but we are checking other 2 points also. 2 comma minus 3, this value is 5, 5, this is 0, and this value is 25, again greater than 0, but you can check these are positive, so this is point of minima or local minima. Now at this point 5, this is 2 comma 2 point, 5 minus 5, and this value is 0, and this point is right here 0, this point is minus 25, which is less than 0, so this is again saddle point. So for this function we have two saddle point. Minus 3 comma minus 3 is saddle point, this is saddle point, and this is saddle point. This is point of max, and this is point of min, but concern is about max, so minus 3 comma 2, option A is the right choice.